Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wave Accounting, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type waveapps.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields asking for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Wave account. Next, type in your password. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box that says Remember Me. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot. This will guide you through the password recovery process. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your Wave account. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your Wave dashboard. In case you enter incorrect information, an error message will appear. Recheck your email and password to ensure they are correct. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompt to complete that step. Once you've successfully logged in, you can start managing your finances. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. That concludes the login process for Wave Accounting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.